Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws that secure the housing. These screws do not come all the way out and only need to be loosened to remove the air filter. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF7920 filter into the housing. Make note of the corner tab when reinstalling. The tab should be in the front corner closest to the battery. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.